Hello, a NASA space probe has made history by flying closer to the Sun than any other spacecraft.
A NASA probe is about to make history by flying closer to the Sun than any spacecraft before.
Space, the final frontier. For decades, humanity has been unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. But one celestial object has always been particularly elusive: the Sun. In August 2018, NASA launched the Parker Solar Probe, a daring mission to touch the Sun and unlock its secrets. Join us as we explore 10 amazing milestones achieved by this record-breaking spacecraft. Number 1. Closest approach to the Sun.
A NASA spacecraft is set to make history today, getting closer to the Sun than any other human-made object.
The Parker Solar Probe is the first spacecraft to journey so close to the Sun, setting a record by reaching within 4.8 million miles of its surface. To put that into perspective, Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, orbits at a distance of 36 million miles. This historic achievement allows us to study the Sun's outer layers like never before. Number 2. Fastest human-made object.
The U.S. Space Agency says its Parker Solar Probe has survived the closest ever approach to the Sun and is still continuing its mission.
Speeding through space at over 430,000 miles per hour, Parker Solar Probe is the fastest human-made object in history. At this speed, you could travel from New York to Los Angeles in less than 20 seconds. It's no wonder this spacecraft has captured global attention. The probe's incredible speed is powered by a series of gravity assists from Venus, slingshotting it closer to the Sun with every orbit. Number 3. Flying through the Sun's corona.
This is a dream come true. One of the major goals for the Parker Solar Probe mission is to fly through the solar corona.
For the first time ever, a spacecraft has flown through the Sun's corona, the superheated outer atmosphere that's hotter than the surface itself, reaching temperatures of over 1 million degrees Fahrenheit. This historic feat allows scientists to study phenomena like solar flares and magnetic storms up close. Understanding the corona is critical to answering one of the biggest mysteries in solar science: why is it so much hotter than the Sun's surface? Number 4. Solving the solar wind mystery.
It's a long-standing mystery in plasma astrophysics of how you create a very hot corona, a millions of degree corona, from a cool star.
For decades, scientists have wondered how the solar wind, a stream of charged particles, forms and accelerates to supersonic speeds. Parker Solar Probe's observations revealed that the energy driving these particles comes from magnetic waves within the corona. This discovery helps us understand how the solar wind impacts our planet, from auroras to potential disruptions of communication systems and satellites. Number 5. Discovering magnetic switchbacks.
Human-made object so close to the Sun. Also, we had to not melt. That's why the Parker has this heat shield.
In a surprising discovery, the probe detected magnetic switchbacks, bizarre zigzag patterns in the Sun's magnetic field. These rapid reversals could hold the key to understanding how energy flows through the solar system. Although these switchbacks were predicted in theory, seeing them firsthand has opened a new frontier in solar physics. Number 6. Unprecedented heat resistance.
Corona is really hot and we have no idea why. So the surface of the Sun is about 6,000 degrees or so.
The Parker Solar Probe's revolutionary thermal protection system is what makes its mission possible. The carbon composite heat shield, coated with a white ceramic layer, withstands temperatures up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit while keeping the instruments inside at a cozy 85 degrees Fahrenheit. This cutting-edge technology is paving the way for future spacecraft to explore extreme environments in our solar system and beyond. Number 7. Insights into solar storms.
We really have designed that spacecraft to withstand all of these brutal conditions. It's a tough little spacecraft.
The probe has provided detailed data on solar storms, massive eruptions of plasma, and magnetic energy from the Sun. These storms can cause geomagnetic disturbances on Earth, potentially damaging power grids and communication networks. By studying these events up close, scientists are improving our ability to predict and mitigate their impact, making our technology and infrastructure more resilient. Number 8. Mapping dust near the Sun.
Hot hottest environments in the solar system will be probed by this mission.
Flying closer to the Sun than ever before, Parker Solar Probe has mapped the environment of cosmic dust particles surrounding our star. This dust interacts with solar radiation and affects the dynamics of the solar system. By understanding these interactions, we gain a better picture of how the Sun's energy influences the solar system's architecture. Number 9. Groundbreaking communication systems.
And with the solar eclipse this year, there's been a lot of talk about the Sun.
Despite its proximity to the Sun's intense radiation, Parker Solar Probe maintains steady communication with Earth. Its advanced radio systems send back terabytes of data, allowing scientists to study the Sun in real time. This is a testament to the cutting-edge engineering behind this mission. Number 10. Inspiring future missions.
It's a priority mission throughout that period. The reason it hasn't flown is just because it's taken a while for technology to catch up with the dreams.
The Parker Solar Probe's success has paved the way for future missions to study our Sun and other stars. The data it gathers will inform designs for new spacecraft that can withstand even more extreme conditions. With each discovery, we come closer to answering fundamental questions about our universe, from the origins of solar energy to the forces shaping our solar system. The Parker Solar Probe is more than a spacecraft, it's a bold leap forward in humanity's quest to understand the cosmos. By daring to touch the Sun, it reminds us of the limitless possibilities of exploration. What mysteries will we uncover next? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.